viewers, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily install Windows 11 into an SD card. Go to your browser and type download Windows 11 ISO and hit enter. Here you will see www.microsoft.com download Windows 11, just click on it. If you see a different language, just scroll to the bottom. You'll see the little icon of the planet, click on the language next to it and select the version or the language that you want. We will be redirected to this page. So just click on Windows 11 and wait to be redirected. At this stage, we are going to select the Windows Multi-Edition ISO for 64 devices. You can select this option, but there is another option which is Create Windows 11 Installation Media. So we will just click download, but we will not use it fully. We'll just use it to download the Windows ISO. Click on it once downloaded, because this will allow us to have additional options to use. So it was creation tool. Click yes if Windows will ask you to allow this app to make changes, and continue. A little icon or little device or software will appear here, and we'll click next on it. It seems it didn't work, so we will try to run as administrator. So as I said, this little software will appear here, Windows 11 setup, and it will allow us to download the Windows ISO file that we want. We'll be able to change the language and the edition. So here we will have Microsoft software license terms. I invite you to read through, and after that you need to click accept so that you are prompted to the next option. At this stage, untick use the recommended option for this PC. Select the language that you want, and you will have only one edition, Windows 11, and click next. At this stage, select ISO file and click next. You'll be asked to choose the location where you need to save your ISO file, so I invite you to rename it Windows 11 and save it wherever you want and click save. You will need to wait up to 5 or maybe sometimes 10 minutes based on how fast is your internet. My internet is very fast, so it should take me 3 to 5 minutes as a max. I'll just pause the video here and we'll continue on the next option, or to show you what we have to do next. So now the download has been completed. We have Windows 11 ready, so we will just click to locate the file. So here we can see it and it's ready to be used. So we can just go ahead and click finish. It will state that it takes a few minutes, but in reality it takes just a few seconds to finish the setup. We're going to download a little tool called Rufus. So type in your browser Rufus. You will see the official website. And here we have it, the software. So just locate .exe, Windows 64. If you are using an old version of Windows, then you might want to see if you have Windows 86 or Windows 64. In your computer, if you're a Windows user, just type dxdiag, and a little window will pop up, and here you will be able to see the version or the architecture of your operating system. So here it's 64-bit, so I will download the 64-bit compatible. This is only an advert, and the tool has been downloaded, so we can close this browser. As a next step, double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. To begin, we need to locate our storage device. If it's an SD card or a USB flash drive or an external hard disk, go to your PC shortcut and check the device. Please make sure the device is at least 8 GB, even though it should be more, so that you can install Windows in it. That's one. 2, it should be empty. There should be no files in it, because it's going to be formatted after that. 3, make sure to read the letter correctly. So here I have letter E, and here in Rufus, I'm going to select letter E. As a next step, boot selection, disk or ISO image, make sure to select it. Click Select, locate your Windows 11, click Open, and wait for the scan to be finished. Next step, under Image option, click and select Windows to Go. Partition scheme GPT, target system UEFI, make sure that they're selected. Next step, name your device as you like. I will name it storage device again. File system NTFS, cluster size 4096 bytes, the default one. And under advanced format options, make sure to have quick format selected and create extended label and icon files also to be selected. As a next step, make sure that you have only one pass and click Start. At this stage, you will be asked what version of Windows 11 do you want to install in that device. You can select Windows 11 Home, Home N, etc. Pro, Pro N. I will just select Home Single Language and I will click OK. Here, customize Windows installation. You can customize as you like. I will just change the name and leave everything by default. Click OK. And here it will delete the partition, so don't worry if it disappears from your computer. It will disappear and appear again for few times. After that, you will see here the progress applying Windows image, and since then the process will start. So now the installation process is over, so all what you need to do, just click Close, click on the storage device, and here you will locate your Windows 11 installation. You can boot from it and you can use it to run as like you have it installed on a computer.